Hi everybody, it's Miss Carrie from South Fayette Township Library and Bridgeville Public Library, and it's time for Quaran-TEENed DIY. What we're going to be making today is a DIY mask from an old t-shirt. So now that you know what you'll need, we're going to start by making a pattern. And what you'll need for that is your computer paper and a pair of regular scissors. You don't want to use fabric scissors for this because it could damage them. And all you're going to do is cut off a little bit of the bottom, and it's going to kind of look like this. And then just make sure it goes around your nose and your mouth. And I actually cut a little bit of the bottom and a little bit of the sides off. You want it to go to about like right there, just because your t-shirt, because it's cotton, it's going to stretch. So that's why I did that. And then what you'll do once you have this ready to go, you're going to fold it in half. You're going to smooth out your t-shirt and fold that in half. I already did that. And then we're going to start making our mask. So what we do to start making our mask, what you'll want is you want your seams to be touching. You want this as smooth as you can possibly get it. You also want your t-shirt to be clean, so make sure it's out of the wash, and you want it to be folded as well. So I'm going to take my pattern that's folded, and I'm going to place it somewhere on my t-shirt, right in the fold, like I did just right there. And then I am going to take a marker. If you don't want lines to be seen on your mask, you can use chalk, colored chalk. And so what you'll do is you're gonna trace your pattern to make a nice line. Okay, and then after that, you're actually going to flip like that. You're gonna flip over or flip it to the width instead of the length, and you're going to make a seam there, because that's going to be your top and the bottom of the mask. All right, and we want to continue to make a line all the way to the end of your t-shirt. Okay, and then what you're going to do, you're going to put your pattern back up, and then you're going to use your knuckle. I'm going to use my left hand because I'm right-handed. You're going to put it in there just to make where your mask is going to stop. And you're going to have a knuckle length here, and like about a finger there. And then you can use your pattern to. All right, so now that I have my pattern, it's going to look something like this. All right. You're going to take, I'm using fabric scissors. You can use regular scissors, but what you'll want to do, it's going to be hard to cut through fabric with them, so you'll want to do one layer at a time. So you'll probably want to start with your top layer and then move down to your bottom layer as a template. But I'm going to do both layers at the same time using my awesome pattern. All right, and then you should have multiple layers of your t-shirt, of your mask. And see, it'll work around my my nose and my mouth to help protect me. And the best part is that you can put in, if you want, you can put in a coffee filter, or you can put in a paper towel, and then that'll work as a filter for you if you would like. And the next part that we're going to do, we want to make sure that the mask is secure. So we're going to tie the ends of our of our strings, and you want to pull it really tight. All right, and then you're going to do that for every single string part. All right, so now you have your mask, and then you can tie this part around the back of your head like this, and then this part goes around your neck to give you a secure mask. All right, so, and if the ties don't fit around, you can just use another part of your fabric that you just cut and make simple ties for those. So, and you want it to be secure. So, like if I wanted to use this, I could just put it around here and then make another tie. I would make this a little bit thinner, but for time's sake, that's just something that you can do if you need to. Well, thank you so much, guys, for joining me for DIY today, for Quarantine DIY. Please let me, if you want, show pictures below of you and your awesome masks that you made, or please tell us what you would like to see or you would like me to do, because this is for you. We're trying to do things for you guys. So just let me know what you like, and please like and share. I'll see you guys next week. Take care.